This is a true story from 2007. A woman named Tracy in Seattle started hearing strange noises in her house, scratching soft thuds like someone was walking inside the walls. At first she thought it was rats, but then food started disappearing. Blankets were moved. One night she found the fridge open, and the chair was facing the hallway. She lived alone. Terrified, she installed a small hidden camera in her living room just to prove she wasn't going crazy. What the footage showed was beyond chilling. In the middle of the night, a man, pale, barefoot, silently crawled out of a cabinet above the kitchen. He walked around, ate food, then vanished back into the crawl space. She called the police immediately. They discovered a homeless man had secretly been living in her attic and walls for weeks, maybe months. He had carved out a space to sleep and created hidden passages through the walls. No one knows how long he had been watching her.